Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to add sparkle and glam to your designs, today's video is perfect for you. I'm going to show you step by step how to make glitter text effects in Canva. Super easy, no paid plugins, and it works on both the free and pro versions of Canva. Whether you're designing invitations, thumbnails, posters, or social media posts, this glitter effect will instantly upgrade your design. Let's get started. First, head over to canva.com and open a new design. You can choose any size you want: Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnail, or even a custom size. Once your blank canvas opens, we're ready to build our glitter text. Now, instead of using normal text, we're going to use text frames. This is the trick that makes the glitter effect possible. On the left sidebar, click on Elements. In the search bar at the top, type Text Type Frame and hit Search. Click See All to view the full collection. You'll see letters and words made with hollow shapes. That's what we want. Select any frame and drag it onto your canvas. Next, customize your text. If the frame you chose has a placeholder letter, simply replace it with your own word by dragging in more letters. Resize the text frames to fit your layout and arrange the letters neatly. At this stage, you can also adjust spacing and alignment to make it look clean and professional. Feel free to choose bold or stylish frame fonts depending on your design style. Now for the fun part, adding the glitter effect. Go back to the Elements tab and type glitter in the search bar. You'll see tons of glitter textures: gold, silver, pink, rose gold, holographic, and more. Pick your favorite glitter style and drag it over to the canvas. Place the glitter image directly on top of your text frames and stretch it so it completely covers all the letters. Now, right-click on the glitter image and click Send to Back, but make sure it stays above your background. Instantly, the glitter texture fills your text frames, creating a sparkling glitter effect. If you want to get extra creative, you can add shadows, gradients, or glow effects using Canva effects to make your glitter text pop even more. You can also layer multiple glitter textures for a unique style or animate the text for videos and reels. And that's it. Your glitter text design is done. Quick, easy, and beautiful. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want more Canva hacks like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.